Bookends and Mellel already have a high level of integration when it comes to citing references and generating formatted in-text citations, footnotes, and bibliographies. These all involve preparing professional or scholarly manuscripts for publication. The Mellel Citation Inspector is qualitatively different. It is focused on enhancing the writing process itself. It gives you access to all of your citations metadata, your personal notes, attached PDFs or other documents, and PDF annotations while you write. It's like having Bookends built into Mellel. Here's an example I prepared earlier, complete with citations to references in my Bookends library. I click on this button and the Citation Inspector opens, listing all of the citations in the document. When I select one, I see summarized information at the top. I'll show you how to adjust the format of this later. If you want to see the reference in Bookends, double-click on this field. We also see other metadata, such as each note card associated with the reference, and below that, the name of the PDF attached to the reference. I can open the PDF from within Mellel by double-clicking on the name of the PDF, or by right-clicking and choosing Open. Below the name of the PDF are any highlights and annotations it may contain. You can drag and drop any text element in the right pane to insert it into the document. You can also right-click on the annotation or on a note card above to insert the text into Mellel either at the current cursor location or add it as a note. Here I'll add it as a footnote. These annotations in the Citation Inspector are deep links, and double-clicking on one brings Bookends to the front, selects the PDF, and scrolls to the relevant page in the PDF to show the annotation. If you right-click and choose to copy a link, it creates a deep link that you can paste into many third-party applications. And when clicked, Bookends will open and take you directly to the annotation. The same contextual options are available by clicking on the three-dot ellipsis on the right. You can filter for specific text or filter to a specific highlight color using the tools at the bottom of the window. You can also search among your citations using the search box in the lower left corner of the inspector. Note that for the Citation Inspector to work, Bookends needs to be running and the relevant Bookends database needs to be open. The Citation Inspector works whether the document is scanned or unscanned. You can open a specific entry from within your document in the Citation Inspector by right-clicking on the citation object and choosing Inspect Citation. You can also open the citation directly in Bookends by clicking Find in Bookends from that contextual menu. Right-clicking on a group citation allows you to select which member you'd like to inspect. You can also right-click on an entry in the bibliography palette to get the same options. One last thing, the format used at the top of the Citation Inspector is controlled by the mellel.fmt format within Bookends. To modify the format, go to Bookends, Biblio, Format Manager, and find mellel.fmt. You have complete control over the formatting. There's a link in the description of this video to a video tutorial on Bookends formats. Complete details on the Mellel Citation Inspector can be found in the Mellel User Guide.